Hello everyone watching this video. Myself Dr. Shailendra from Prana Homoeopathic Yoga Centre, Pune, will be giving some guidelines regarding do's and don'ts of homeopathic medicines and how to take the homeopathic treatment and the tablets. In my experience, I came across many basic questions from the patients regarding guidelines for taking homeopathic medicines. I came across many patients who didn't or were reluctant to follow basic guidelines for taking homeopathic medicines, due to which the effectiveness of the treatment got hampered. I remember one of my case was not recovering as per my expectation. When I inquired again in details, I found that he continued to smoke a lot and used to take the medicines randomly, even immediately after smoking and taking food. In next follow-up, there was a major change in his recovery. What does this suggest? There are few very simple guidelines for taking treatments. Let's know about them. Let's consider some do's. Very important about the storage of the medicines. How you should store the homeopathic medicines? You should store them in a cool, dry and dark place, but keep it away from the smelly places. Avoid direct exposure to sunlight, heat, magnets, radiations and strong odors like solvents, spirit, paint, camphor or any chemicals, etc. If you have been taking homeopathic medicines in sugar pill forms, you have to chew them, or if you are taking the medicine in a liquid form, you have to dissolve the liquid in a half cup of water. If the medication is in the form of drops, dissolve them in a half cup of water. Keep the solution in your mouth for a few seconds before swallowing it. Regarding consulting your doctor, there are some guidelines. Consult with the homeopathic doctor before consuming any new medication. You might know the names of the popular medicines regarding different medical conditions, but you would not have nearly as much information about the treatment process as you think. Please adhere to the homeopathic doctor's prescription given for any kind of medicine. After taking full history of the patient, medicine is prescribed by your doctor. Altering the dosage would render the treatment unsuccessful. Can you take homeopathic medicine with other treatment? The answer is yes. You can take the homeopathic medicines along with other treatments like modern medicine, Ayurveda or any form of treatments as per your doctor's advice. Now, regarding vaccination, is a commonly asked question, but my suggestion is that consult with your doctor regarding vaccination for a certain illness, as it might not be compatible with the treatment, but your doctor's opinion regarding this is utmost important. Last but not least, consume your medicine with preferably clear tongue. Now, the most important one, don'ts. What you should avoid while taking any homeopathic medicine. The golden rule is called as half-hour rule. Ideally speaking, avoid consuming any food 30 minutes or half an hour before and after having the medication. Don't consume food immediately before and after taking medicine. Don't take tobacco. Strong odors and taste hamper the medicine results. Better avoid strong coffee, onion, garlic. If it is very necessary or unavailable, keep a time gap of at least 3 hours between consumption of medicines and of these things. Next point, avoid touching the pills. Use cap of the bottle to take the medication. Avoid using camphor and other substances with strong odors like menthol, eucalyptus or any aerosols. Regarding beauty treatments, during course of treatment, avoid doing any chemical based treatments or any treatments like electrolysis. Don't keep the medicines in the refrigeration. Avoid alcohol preferably. If difficult to avoid, keep a distance of around 3 to 4 hours between the medication and consumption of alcohol. But better avoid as far as possible for getting the best results from the homeopathic medicines. Now, I will like to add some few factors that never interfere in the treatment. You can use heating pads. You can go for any dental cleaning procedures. Diagnostic tests like X-rays, ultrasounds, you can go for them. Now, most important point, how to take the medicines. Don't touch the medicines. It came in the form of globules or sometime liquid form. Take the pills in a bottle lid. Globules should be chewed. For adults, approx 4 to 8 globules at a time. For children, 2 to 4 globules at a time, or as per the guidelines given by your doctor. For liquid, dilutions and mother tinctures, preferably mix in water as per the quantity suggested by your physician. Regarding biocombinations or biochemics, these are small tablets. You can take 4 tablets. You can chew them or crush them or as per physician's guidelines. Don't start or stop medicines on your own, whether homeopathic or any other pathy medicines, abruptly. Dose and the frequency of the medicine. Generally, for acute cases, frequency of the medicine may be more, and for the chronic cases, the frequency of the medicines may be less, but the final decision will be taken by your physician. These were some few guidelines regarding do's and don'ts of the while taking your homeopathic medicines. Thanks a lot.